Okay, it's Ryan here, along with Cassie. Hi, Cassie. Okay, we're going to do a push-up test today, a push-up assessment to determine your muscular endurance, and then we're going to do a sit-up test. So before we do those tests, we're going to get a resting heart rate, and we're going to get a resting blood pressure. Okay? So I got the blood pressure cuff on you. Let me get kind of close. I'm going to get this right on your radial. And then I'm going to pump this up, making sure my valves close to 180 mercury. And I'm going to slowly back it off. Over 79. Very nice. Let that out. All right, and now let's get your heart rate. Go ahead and relax your arm. So we are going to say it's 70, 68? 78 beats per minute. Okay, let's go into the push-up position. So you're going to basically get into a push-up position. You can do these with your knees down. Just making sure though that when you do your push-up, you're going to come all the way back up, and you're not going to let your chest or your thighs or your abdomen touch the ground. So when you come down to the push-up position or to the low position, you're going to put your chin right here. We're going to pretend this is a mat. And then you're going to come back up to a full extension, and then go back down. You're going to do as many of these as you can until failure. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, chin all the way down, 19, 20, 20. We'll start with 20. Very good job. Now we're going to go into a curl-up test. Actually, let's get your blood pressure real quick. Come over to me. Good job. Go ahead and sit up for me. There we go. Very good. 122/80. Nice job. Let's get your heart rate. All right, so that was right around 95 beats per minute. Well done. All right, we're back again. We're gonna finish our muscular endurance exam, and we're again with Cassie. And Cassie just got her resting blood pressure, and we just did your resting heart rate. So we're gonna use those for this exam because after this, we're going to do the same thing. We're gonna get your resting blood pressure, or excuse me, your active blood pressure and your heart rate after the exam. So for this, Cassie, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay back, and you need to have your shoulder blades planted on the floor, and your fingertips need to be at the baseline. And what I've done is just measured 10 centimeters from the baseline, the 0 point, up to the extension point. So what I'm going to do, Cassie, is I'm going to put a metronome on, and it's going to count 50 beats per minute. And so every time you hear a beat, your finger should come up past the 0 line, or excuse me, past the reach point, and then they should go all the way back to the 0 point before you come back up. Your shoulder blades should also come back, and your head should come back. You understand? Okay, here we go. I'm going to start the metronome, and when you feel ready, you can go ahead and start, okay? Ready? Good. Go a little higher. Your left arm's not, there you go. Good. That is 20. You did 21 in a minute, because there were a few that I didn't count because your hand didn't cross the threshold. That's still a really good number, 21. Because 25 is absolute most. So good job. Go ahead and sit up, and we're going to do your blood pressure. And then relax your arm for me. You can sit on my leg. Yeah. Make sure you got a smart cuff. Okay, pediatric cuff or something. (120 over 82). Good job, Kat. And then let's get your heart rate real quick. and that was a 96 beat per minute. Well done.